It's been extended. Hi everyone, Winston Lewis here at All American Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of Midland, and that's right, Ram Truck Month has been extended, and that means we have special deals in our entire lineup.
Right now, you can drive home in this new 2022 Ram 1500 Tradesman Quad Cab for only $495 a month. That's with a savings of nearly $6,000 off MSRP. And remember, we want your trade. We'll give you our top dollar.
So don't miss Ram Truck Month going on now at All American Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram of Midland. And remember, it's our goal to become the only place to buy a car.